Do you want a piece? Here, I'll hand you a piece. Ezra, here's a piece. Do you want some help? You want to shove it in your mouth? Ezra. Hey, Ez. Ezra. Can you shove the whole thing in your mouth? Want help? Can I help you? Oh, you got it? Okay. Do you like nori? Yeah? Is it good? Yummy yum. Okay, Ezra. Ezra, can you say bye? Ezra, can you say bye? Good job.